Oh. That was the vertebrae higher up. Fingertips kind of like connect. Okay, we'll go face. Alright, I'm gonna start with more of a finesse version.
Okay.
And you can always add more juice. That's the finesse, big old shoulders. Okay. Tummy soft. Good. Alright, go. Relax your right leg.